Owning a home is more than just being able to make a mortgage payment. When you buy a single-family detached home, you most likely will be responsible for all maintenances, such as lawn care, roof, exterior paint, etc. But with that responsibility, not everyone can or should live in a single-family home. But they also shouldn't be doomed to rent for their entire life either. Townhome living can be a great alternative to apartments and single-family detached homes. In North Carolina, when you buy a townhome, you own the dirt below the foundation, but you don't have someone living above you, as in the case of apartments and condos. They also tend to be less expensive than comparable detached housing because the development costs are spread out over the entire project with little overlapping cost. And although the monthly HOA dues tend to be higher, many of the customary maintenance duties are shifted from the individual owners to the HOA. And as the cost of housing in Wake County and the surrounding communities continue to outpace the national average, multifamily housing like this one are a great opportunity for people to gain a foothold into home ownership. And as you can see, this development is brand new and it's all but sold out. Of the 94 units that began construction in this development in 2020, all but 3 sold before they were completed, with more than half of those units selling in 2022, which incidentally was the slowest real estate market in the United States by more than a decade. So if you're considering buying a townhome to live in or to rent, DM us or text us to 919-822-9800.